Most people walk into Walmart thinking they need a debit card, a credit card, or some complicated setup to pay. But here's the truth no one tells you. OnePay is designed to simplify all of that, yet most users never use it correctly, or don't even realize how powerful it is inside Walmart's system. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use OnePay at Walmart in 2026 step by step, how to set it up properly, and how to avoid the common mistakes that cause failed payments or checkout confusion. By the end, you'll know how to pay faster, safer, and more smoothly in-store or online. Let's start with the basics. OnePay is Walmart's digital payment system designed to combine payments, rewards, and account management in one place. Think of it as a central wallet that connects your payment methods and speeds up checkout. Now here's where most people get stuck. They try to use OnePay without setting up their account correctly first. That leads to errors, missing payment options, or failed transactions. So first step, open the Walmart app on your phone and make sure you are signed into your Walmart account. If you do not have one, create it using your email and phone number. Now here's where it gets interesting. Inside the app, go to the Payments or Wallet section. This is where OnePay lives in 2026 versions of the Walmart system. Tap on OnePay Setup or Wallet Integration. You may be asked to link a debit card, credit card, or bank account depending on your region. Once linked, OnePay becomes your default payment layer inside Walmart. Now let's move into real usage. Let's say Alex is shopping online for groceries. He adds items to his cart and goes to checkout. Instead of manually entering card details, he simply selects OnePay as his payment method. The system automatically pulls from his linked payment source. That's the key advantage. Faster checkout and fewer errors. But here's the problem. Many users do not verify their linked payment method before shopping. If your card is expired, blocked, or has insufficient funds, OnePay transactions will fail instantly. Now here's where it gets even more useful. In physical Walmart stores, OnePay can also be used through QR codes or in-app scanning, depending on store setup. At checkout, you open the Walmart app, tap OnePay, and scan the code displayed at the register. The payment process is instantly without swiping cards. Another important detail is security. OnePay uses tokenized transactions, which means your actual card details are never shared with the store. This reduces fraud risk and makes payments safer. But here's a mistake people make. They forget to update their payment methods inside OnePay. If your default card is outdated, the system may still try to charge it, causing checkout failures. So always double-check your linked accounts before making large purchases. Now let's talk about refunds. If you return an item purchased with OnePay, Walmart processes the refund back to your original payment method automatically. Depending on your bank, it may take a few days to reflect, but the process is fully automatic. Now here's a pro tip most users don't know. If OnePay is not showing at checkout, it usually means your Walmart app is outdated, or your account region does not support full OnePay integration yet. Updating the app or relogging into your account often fixes it instantly. To quickly summarize, open the Walmart app, set up OnePay in the Wallet section, link your payment method, select OnePay at checkout, and confirm your purchase. That's it. And now you know exactly how to use OnePay at Walmart without confusion or failed transactions. If this helped you, like the video, comment with your experience using OnePay, and subscribe for more simple Walmart payment guides like this.